kami may welcome to my channel. We are kami may vlog. Maganda tayong araw na ito. At sa mga susunod pang mga araw, lagi nating i-manifest na tayo maganda. Kasing ganda ng araw at mga bituin sa langit. Charet. So ito na nga, nandito na ako. Hiningal pa ako mga kamimay. Dahil kung napanood nyo po ang aking vlog last time, dahil ayun po ay pagkuha ko ng exam para ako ay magkaroon ng diploma. So this is the story, Scott.
No.
What's your question? Why I'm so fast?
Ja, waarom ben je zo klaar?
Because they just give me a paper and then test. But before that, they asked me if I have school here. I said yes, I have Atway.
Ja.
But I should have Atway Narbain, but that moment I don't have diploma because of that's hard for me. So they don't make me in the test in computer, just only intelligence test.
Oh.
And then they said they schedule me on Monday two times a week. Yes, Netherlands and English, diba? 2 times a week.
Wow.
I said Monday and Wednesday, but we're not yet sure when. Maybe in next year. Syempre update ko kayo doon. Yun lang, Scott. Kaya that's why I'm so fast.
Oh, you didn't need to make the test.
Yeah, in the computer, no.
No.
But if you are beginning, for example, level very 1 level, so you don't need to do a test also.
No.
But if you want to A-Tray, like to A-Tray level, but you don't have a school, you don't have a diploma, you still need to go for the test.
Ja, dan wil ik kijken of jouw Nederlands wel goed genoeg is. Ja.
That's the point. It's good we have exam. I do the school here in Bay.
Ja.
But in Volks University, because I don't pass that moment because I'm so early, so excited. I think I can, but not.
Ja, maar dat was een moeilijke tijd voor jou.
Yeah, and also moeilijk also. It's hard teacher that moment.
Dat bedoel ik.
She's not so good.
Oh yeah, she well,
I don't
let's say
like.
she don't like you. You don't like her.
She
and
don't
she
like me.
Ja, precies.
I have nightmare experience for her.
Zo, nou dat klopt, ja. Dat is
Nightmare.
totaal niet leuk.
Almost racist for my word in the
Dat
Asian.
was het wel.
Almost. I don't say she is.
Ja, het was een beetje nogal voor ingenomen.
Yeah, she's direct, but it's not really nice how she can be direct. I understand Netherlands people here is direct, but the way she speak, and then the way he gave me the anyway, wag natin siyang pag-usapan dahil tapos na yon. I think it's 3 years passed by, 3 years ago. So now, samahan nyo kami mga kami, pupunta kami sa IKEA. IKEA?
Ja,
IKEA.
IKEA,
IKEA, okay. Bye-bye! See you there! Hi mga kamime, nandito na po tayo sa IKEA. Pero ang sabi ng jowa, 9 o'clock daw po magsasarado. Eh anong oras na? Past 8:30 na. So hindi na tayo, yun lang. Hindi na tayo makakapasyal sa IKEA. Kasi may bibili lang ang jowa ng box. Gusto ko pa naman saan mamasyal. Excited pa naman tayo mga kamime. Kaso hindi siya naaayon. So ito na nga mga kamime, ang aking channeling, Jomenelin. So pupunta na lang tayo doon sa shopping sa mga bread, sa mga pastry. Doon na lang tayo. Baka bumili tayo ng hotdog, tsaka baka mamit natin yung si Pinay Pie. Meron kasi ako na-meet dito ang Pilipina. Binigyan niya akong discount sa mga yung patapos na yung mga cinnamon, tsaka yung mga croissant. Sabi niya, kuha ka lang, dali. Siya na daw magbabayad. Mabait si Pinay. Shoutout sa'yo ate. Mamaya mamit natin siya. Chikahin natin siya, ganun, no? Halika na, Scott. Let's go.
Ja.
It's past more than half.
Ja, laten we dan na
Ayan,
half 8, 8:10. Let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go. Bye-bye. Ayun na nga, naglalakad na po tayo. Pupunta po tayo sa loob ng IKEA. Ayun ang IKEA. Okay. Ano ba da? Be, I think I cannot go up now. So you just go and get the box. Kasi kailangan na namin ng mga box. Kasi nga nag-renovate na yung bahay, di po ba? So mag-aalis na kami ng mga hindi namin kailangan. Kaya abangan nyo sa mga susunod sa next year. Talagang papabalusok ang jowa sa bagong bahay namin. Charet. Bagong renovation. So, bibili lang kami ng box para sa itatapon at hindi igagamit. Hindi na namin magagamit. Kasi na may yung iba kasi hindi na pwedeng ipadala sa Pilipinas. Gusto ko nga sanang ipadala. Mahirap ipadala. Uy, mahal. Bumili na lang sa Pinas. Mahal din ang papadala. Luma pa. Wag na. Basura. Charot. Let's go! Ay, so IKEA. Ang ganda. Jowa. We go straight here? Yeah, no. Hindi na tayo bababa. Dito na. Yeah. So you need a box here. Where's the box? Oh, maybe they have also cover. You need to ask the cover. Oh, dito na lang tayo sa baba kasi wala na tayong time. The cover. Saan natin makikita yung cover? Nandito na lang. Ang bango, may candle. Ang ganda, ang dami pong magaganda sa IKEA. Ayan oh. Shopping pa more. Diba? Shopping pa more for the Christmas Emelatech. Pa, ganon. Cute. Yung mga tissue. Ay, ang ganda ng ano oh. Cut. This is nice. Basag na agad.
Mooie borden.
Oh yeah, oh kijk.
Geladdelijk.
Mooi.
Ja, zeker maar.
Let's go. Go. Bijna klaar. Yes, I know, we know. We are late. Mga unan, punda. Ganda ng color pang Pasko.
Welke?
We need these.
Ja.
For the because it's out. For ons is out.
Deze geel?
Yeah, that's perfect. The
Ja, dit is wel.
Kato, I think this is for my the one. It's the same size toch? Onyx.
Wel ongeveer hetzelfde, ja.
But is this a cotton of niks?
Ja, als het voor de bank is, maakt het toch niet uit.
Yeah, nee, I want you to wash that one. Charat. Kasa. Yeah. For the cover, yeah? Oh. You know the size? You remember the size?
Nee, ik ga hem zeker deze.
This one I wanted to buy next time for the Christmas tree.
Kijk, hier hebben ze die.
Die. Maybe.
Ja.
One of this.
Ik moet heel even checken bij die hele grote of dat inderdaad voor jou gemaakt is.
Of this one.
Ja, voor mij is dit hier.
Yeah, masking this one. Yeah.
Met de dubbelwaarbaar.
Kasi bumili kami ng ganito mga kami may that time wala pa siyang cover. Hindi available.
If it fits here, it's fine.
Which one?
This is the biggie.
That's the same.
Echt wel, ja.
Ano ka ba?
Aan elkaar wel. Ja, via die.
Which one? The
Ja, 4 stuk.
Fear?
Ja.
This is the one that you want to buy.
Ja, en de vorige keer hadden ze hem niet.
But you want to buy also the box of paper.
Ja, de paperbox wil ik ook.
Because we need
Kijk,
to
this is permanent en de paperbox is
Kulop.
voor de...
Kulop for rec.
Voor de kitchen.
For rec color.
Ja.
Tough. parang pang throw. Kasi hindi pwede yun dito na basta lang magtatapon. Yung iba ganon. Basta lang nagtatapon. Diba? Oh. Ang ganda. Moy. Let's go sa casa. How much this one is?
Ik denk 2,49.
Ha?
Maar 2,49 keer 4.
€2 and 90. Almost €3. Ayun, carpet. Oh.
2,49
Carpet. Magpapalit din kami ng carpet, mga kami. Maganda this color, Scott. This, oh. Die.
Ja, zoiets.
Not so donker.
Ja, dit zou ik echt mooi vinden.
Ja.
Of deze, een beetje op de tussenin,
Ja.
maar dit...
199 only.
Ja, maar ik wil big. Super big.
Yeah.
Dit is nog
I
klein.
want to.
Ik wil 2,5 bij 3 meter of zo.
We see here also the big wardrobe.
En dan denk ik hier. Hier deze.
Ah. This one. The carpet. Yeah. This one gray. It's perfect.
200 bij 300, ja.
Yeah. Die? Not bad,
Twee bij
the
drie meter.
price.
Zo, deze vind ik ook mooi.
But this is itchy.
Oh, wacht, ja, I like the color, but you're right,
Yeah.
it's itchy. I want more soft.
I like, this one soft.
Ja.
This. Easily to out.
Deze vind ik ook mooi.
Yeah, this one also is nice color.
Ja.
But this is a little bit donker, but I like
it's
this
very
one.
gray. This is more, a little
Yeah.
vibrant,
It's-
a little color.
It's nice also in the same color for us, but this one's donker. In the bank.
Ja, de bank is a little more grayish, but
Yeah.
also in the light.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh.
Een beetje...
You can choose
Stellar.
there, mga kamimi. So which one that you gonna choose? The new way.
ja, ik denk deze. If I need
Yeah,
to
you
choose
need a
these, I-
picture because it's new. They said.
Oh,
Oh,
heb ik hem even een picture? Of
I have
price
camera.
tag?
yeah.
Ja.
It's here.
Even,
It's a new one. Oh, ang dami din makukulay. Makukulay ang buhay. Maganda to pag malaki ka ng ano. Marami ka ng kwarto. I want in the... Can we change also? Can we put woven in one carpet in our sleeping room? Because they have a red, right? It's sleeping room.
Ja, ja.
In woven ook. Maybe in the... Only in the pathway. The kleintje for... Where we standing.
Oh, ja,
That's what I'm thinking.
Nou,
only.
dat wel.
Let's see.
Dat feit dat
Ah,
nee,
ang ganda ng
ik denk dat
color.
het wel mooi is.
Yeah, carpet. Oh, this is the green color.
Kijk, hoe deze ook gemaakt is.
This one is nice
Deze vind ik ook
also.
nice, ja. Lekker zacht, very
Ja.
soft. But I want it big, big.
You want a big, big boy. Big, big boy. This one is so donker color. I don't like the donker
Nee,
color.
nee.
I want pechelik color. Oh, die. Ah, it's self de daar. Ja,
Oh, deze
self.
zijn ook groot. Kijk.
Nee, dit is self de. Kijk.
Nou, stoen ze, ja.
Yeah, same. Uy, ang ganda noon. Ang dami magaganda. Pati ito, oh, mga totoo tong ano, leather. Ito. Diba? Pang ano naman to eh. Pang office. Yan oh. Do. Alam mo no. Day. Pang mayaman. Ganda oh. Napak. Yeah. Nasa candle na tayo. At mga flower na fake. I smell candle already, mga kamime. Yan oh. This is a bloody candle. Stark scones. Let's go sa casa. At mga arts. Let's go to casa. At baka tayo ay
Ik
majuli.
zag dat de oily boilie weer open was trouwens net bij.
I don't like olive oil. Alsjeblieft, it's heavy.
Ik was blij. Ja, nee, dat klopt.
Oh, ma-flower. Ito yung mga totoong ano, plant.
Ze staat aan de deur bij mij.
I don't wanna buy now the plant because we have a renovation next time.
Je hebt too much.
After. This one that I have, the small one. Kijk, I told you, they're gonna big like this.
Ja, die kan zeker groot worden.
Yeah.
Mooi hoor.
Yeah. Let's go, 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 go. Yeah, mga totoong plant yan. Dito mga Fekinis. I don't like Fekinis. Let's go for the casa. Bibili kami ng box, yung karton. Para sa disposal. Para sa pagtatapon ng mga tapon. Ganon. Bave. Oh. Yung kanilang ano. Ito yung kanilang, dito ka nakukuha ng kanilang, yung mga bibilin mo. Diyan, titingin mo yung number.
You can combine
okay.
upside down,
Yeah.
turn it 90 degrees, alles is mogelijk.
That's nice too.
Dan kan ze de
But you
keuken, de
need,
woonkamer,
yeah.
overal.
You need 2 daisy oak. That's nice. Even slaapkamer can oak.
Ja, dat kan overal. Ik zit niet meer beter op de kast dan ik die hier.
I think daisy for my cast.
Dat is weer.
Totally.
Dan wil ik wel een andere kleur.
Yeah. Yeah.
Eigenlijk wil ik een nieuwe kast meer in een nieuw huis. Zo waar. Even een
Stock
tussenoplossing.
room. Ang tawag dito, yung mga stock. Nandito. Dito mo kukunin yung mga o-orderin mo. Ganon. Ayan no, may hot dog. I see the hot dog. 50%. 50 cents. Ay, may pusit. Ay, pusit ka ba? Are you a squid? Oh, this one, oh, the big ones cut, oh. For the Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Maganda IKEA, no? Halika na sa casa na tayo. Pupunta tayo doon sa Tinapayan, sa pastry. Let's go. Croissant and cinnamon. Yeah, this is ang pastry. Mga kami. Kuha tayo. Gusto ko ng cinnamon. For tomorrow's videos. Chalet. Of course, bumili kami ng hotdog. Veggies hotdog. 50 cents only. So, ang dalawa ay
Bread included.
1 euro with the bread included.
Yes.
At saka nakabili na rin ako ng buy one take one ng kanilang pastry. Wala si Ate Pinay. Ate Pilipina is not here.
Nou.
Sayang. Nakatipid.
Maar ik heb nu al zin in een croissantje morgen, schat. Dat wordt lekker opwarmen in de oven. Kom, wil je zitten?
Pending pa, pending.
Ja.
Yeah. We sit here. Let's go. Waiting. Sabi yung hotdog ko, yung veggies hotdog ko, humiwalay na yung ano. Humiwalay na
Eet smakelijk.
ang bread. Kainin natin. Pero na sa 50 cents. Di ba? May sauce ka pang libre. Lang ka pa. Lekker?
Heerlijk.
Sarap? Ha?
Oh, is Ikea zelf.
Only 50 cents. Okay mga kami, dito na ulit po tayo sa ating sasakyan at kami pabalik na at nagdiretso ng ay nako, napagod ako. Parang pagod agad ako noon. Nawala kasi ako ng gana kasi patapos na pala. Just kung ano po patapos na. At least nakapasyal naman ako kahit pa paano. So, at kumain kami ng hotdog ng Jowa, vegetable hotdog. Laka-laka.
Heerlijk.
Sa 50 cents, 30 euro na yun sa atin. Sa pera na, 30 pesos na yun sa atin. Yung ganun kaliit na hotdog. Sakala nyo, mahal ho dito. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, mas mahal ho dito. Ang serbisyo, lahat mahal. Kaya kailangan double kayod ka talaga dahil para tulog na lang pahinga. Ganon. Uwi na po tayo mga kamimay. At tayo ay adlap na. Charet. Hindi, uwi na tayo. How can we bring this one upstairs?
Nou, ik denk dat we even... Ik hoop dat er een plekje is vlak bij onze voordeur.
Yeah, you need to park first there and then daarna helpen mij naar boven.
Ik denk eerst met die dozen.
Ja.
En dan misschien doe jij de deur open en dan ga ik met die dozen lopen ik achter je aan.
Ja. I will open to you to the door. The door of gold. Yes. Oh, they have bus station. This
Ja, ja,
also.
dat klopt. Hier
This is a Delft.
Als
Delft.
je met de bus naar Ikea gaat, dan kom je
Ja.
daar inderdaad weer uit.
From Delft. Yeah?
Ja.
Perfect. Ayan o, yung labas. Ganda mga kami. Ito po yung labas. Ayan. Ayan o, gabi na. Gabi na tayo, day. O, gabi na tayo, day. Gabing-gabi na. Ayan. Kaya, tara, let's sa house. Bye-bye. That's nice. That's a Rotterdam. Very, 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 very nice.
The lovely